Did you know that you can actually solve this nice math problem in 1 minute if x plus y is equal to 16 and xy is equal to 60? What is the value of x and what is the value of y? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. X plus y is equal to 16. Let us call this equation 1. Then xy is equal to 60. Let us call this equation 2. Now let us quickly solve this in two different ways and pick the simplest method. First method, then from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 16 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 60. Now let us substitute for y, which is equal to 16 minus x. S bracket 16 minus s is equal to 60. Let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 16. This is 16 x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 60. This can be written as minus s square plus 16s is equal to 60. This is minus s square plus 16s minus 60 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This is s squared. Then plus 16x divided by minus 1. This is minus 16s minus 60 divided by minus 1. This is plus 60 is equal to 0 because 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 16, c is equal to 60. S is equal to minus bracket minus 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 60 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 16. This is 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square. That is 256 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 60. That is 240 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 240. That is 16 over 2. This is same thing as 16 plus or minus square root of 16. That is 4 over 2. S is equal to 16 plus 4 over 2 or 16 minus 4 over 2. S is equal to 20 over 2 or 12 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. S is equal to 10 or S is equal to 6. This is the value of s. We've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y from equation 3, y is equal to 16 minus x. Then y1 is equal to 16 minus s1 is 10, or y2 is equal to 16 minus s2 is 6. Y1 is equal to 60 minus 10, this is 6, or y2, this is 16 minus 6, 10. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 10, 6, then s2, y2 is equal to 6, 10. These are the values of s. Let us consider the second method called method 2. With this method, you can actually solve this problem within 1 minute. That is, s plus y is equal to 16, sy is equal to 60. Solution. S plus y is equal to 16. This is equation 1. Then sy is equal to 60. This is equation 2. Now, let us look for the factor pairs of 60. Here, we have s plus y equal to 16. Sy is equal to 60. We need the factor pairs of 60. That is, 60 is equal to 1 multiplied by 6, then 2 multiplied by 30, 3 multiplied by 20, 4 multiplied by 15, 5 multiplied by 12, and 6 multiplied by 10. Then 1 multiplied by 6, if you add the two together, this will be 7. Let's see, because the sum must give you 16 and the product must give you 60. So here, 2 plus 30, this is 32. 3 plus 20, this is 23. 4 plus 15, this is 19. This is 17. And this is 16. You can see that this is true, this is not true, this is not true, this is not true, and this is not true, this is not true. Therefore, from here, this is the only true solution we have. S is equal to 6 and y is equal to 10. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.